Can you draw a hand?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to learn it?
Okay.
Okay, the secret is to simplify, so forget about these 4 fingers. Concentrate on the palm and on the thumb. Now with just simple lines indicate the placement of each finger and draw little balls where the joints are. Now you can draw the main shapes of the palm, fingers, and keep adding details until you get...
Like this?
No, these are legs and feet. Wait, how did you...
Right. Like this?
Yeah, but why you didn't say anything?
What?
That you knew how to draw.
Oh. I know how to draw a hand.
And why did you ask it for help?
I asked if you can draw a hand. You say yes. I said okay. And you say, do you want to learn it? I say okay. And then
okay, so if you know how to draw a hand, why did you ask it for my help?
Oh. I can't draw the other one.